let me show you how to download games when they will not start installing. So this happens a lot with Xbox 360 disc games. If I try to cancel and restart it, it's not going to work. So it says it needs this update, but you can't really install the update. See, so what you do is you go to the store and you look for the game. And then you can install it right here. And there will be this one that you want to install. And now it'll work.